So that looks good to me. Now we will texture map the other parts of the character. So basically we are going to use the same standard material and double click on it. I'm going to use shades of brown, and if you double click, actually this one base color is going to be shades of brown, and again 0.3 and 0.6 for the specular. And then you can simply shift copy it, double click it, and then change the color. Okay, shift copy it, then further. So we'll use these three colors. So the ears, will be dark. We need to get out of UVW map modifier. So this one, shift control this, dark color. The tail will also be dark. The body will be the middle one. This chain will be this one. The chain, I want to add more specular and less roughness. Okay, so I want to give it a metallic feel. Then I think the feet should be darker. So copy this. Make the feet darker. Then select the feet and assign the material. I don't like the dark color, so I'll make it light. Okay, so that's the character. Even the ears should look different than the face. Then the main body can be a little darker. Is that the main body? I think it is this one. Yeah. Okay. So that's about it. In the next class, we will look at how to rig the character.